We're going to talk about copywriting the easy way so that can save you a bunch of time and frustration and hopefully money. Because when I first started and I was trying to find my way to the top, I spent a lot of time listening to people who had no idea what they were talking about. People who just wanted to sound important and they repeated information that they heard. And a lot of that stuff didn't apply to me. And quite frankly, a lot of that stuff didn't even work. And so I'm here to show you the different kind of approaches you can take depending on which industry you're in. So let's start with the top 5. So these are industries that I generate leads in, but they're the most difficult. These are the top 10 industries that I generate leads in, and they're the easiest. This is an ad, a very good looking ad, I think, and the message is very clear. Protect your family with health insurance that's affordable. Now, there are some industries that are easy to generate leads in, and you can be very straightforward in exactly what it is. So when the customer picks up the phone, they know. However, there are some industries like this where the customer will know what it is, but you have to explain the terms and conditions. So this is a final expense direct mailer that talks about a life insurance benefit. Now, there's nowhere on this ad, you can pause it to read it if you want. There's nowhere on this ad that says that the product is free. But it also doesn't say that it's going to cost money. It just says that if you've been turned down for your health or medical conditions before, you still have a chance for a life insurance benefit. Now you think to yourself that even the slowest of slow would know that life insurance isn't free. However, there's still room for someone to read this and go, oh, free life insurance program. But they use it and have been using this. The final expense industry has been using this kind of ad copy for years because it works. This is another ad that I saw that was pretty good. 1% down, conventional 1% down, equity boost of 2%, giving you 3% at closing. So you put down 1%, your lender contributes 2%, giving you 3% equity at closing. Call today to apply. And then there's this one. I don't know if you've ever been walking around in the mall or in the neighborhood and you see a big old poster that says, get a free iPhone, come in now. Well, these people know that most people are going to read in big, bold, iPhone 12 Pro Max on us. They're going to see the really nice pictures off to the right. And 60 to 80% people are not even going to bother to read the rest of the ad. They're just going to call in and go, so how do I get, my free iPhone? And it gives the sales rep or whoever is selling this a chance to sell the service. So let's talk about something very important. If you do a straightforward ad and a lot of other people can do the same thing as you, like health insurance, which is really boring, then you're going to get very high costing leads. And let me tell you something about internet leads. Internet leads, just because you get a $30 internet lead, it doesn't make it more qualified than a $3 internet lead. It just means you paid for a higher lead. Now, when you get into stuff like this, you get people more interested. However, you have to prepare yourself that you're going to have to overcome some misunderstandings through your sales presentation when you get that person on the phone. And then there's stuff like this. Well, there are going to be people who, when they see this ad, they're going to call in and they're going to go, oh, I thought the phone was free. Yes, the phone can be at no cost to you, and it's definitely going to be on us if you adhere to our terms and conditions. So I'll just end this by saying, no matter what approach you want to take, whether it's the boring one, whether you're going to be a little bit more creative and clever, maybe you already have something that's really popular and working, you just need to water down the words or reconstruct the words so that you make it a little bit more appealing, or whether you're going to do something like this and make people call in, remember that the whole entire point of copywriting is to compel people to give you their information so that you can make a sale from your lead, so that you can get them on the phone, you can make a friend, and you can make a customer. I hope this helps. I'll talk to you all later.